Netflix heads to the cinemas with The Grey Man, the latest action thriller starring Chris Evans and Ryan Gosling. Comedy fans should also check out Only Murders in the Building, starring Steve Martin, Martin Short and Selena Gomez, now streaming on Disney+. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list. The Grey Man is an action thriller based on the book of the same name and stars Ryan Gosling as a skilled CIA operative and Chris Evans as a former colleague out to hunt him. When court gentry suddenly discovers dark secrets from his agency, he is soon hunted by Lloyd Hansen, who will traverse land and water just to take him out. The Grey Man releases in UAE and Saudi Arabian cinemas on July 14th and streams on Netflix July 22nd. Based on the novel by Jane Austen, Persuasion centres on Anne Elliot, who lives with her snobby family that's about to go broke. When an old flame suddenly enters back into her life, she must decide to either forget the past or open her heart to second chances. Persuasion streams on Netflix July 15th. In this video game adaptation of Resident Evil, Jade Wesker is haunted by her father's past connections to the Umbrella Corporation. Now fighting for her life in a world overrun by the undead, she looks for clues in New Raccoon City about what really happened to her sister Billy. Resident Evil streams on Netflix July 14th. The Grand Tour's James May travels and discovers the culture and food of one of his favourite countries, Italy. Watch as he traverses the Sicilian capital of Palermo and makes his way to the Dolomites that will see him visit every region of the country. James May, Our Man in Italy, streams on Amazon Prime Video July 15th. Three people obsessed with true crime suddenly find themselves in the middle of one. When a death occurs in their exclusive Upper West Side apartment building, the three use their knowledge of true crime to find the culprit before it strikes its next victim. Steve Martin, Martin Short and Selena Gomez return for the second season of Only Murders in the Building. Season 2 is now streaming on Disney+. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our new videos.